The P0443 code indicates a problem in the purge control solenoid circuit of the evaporative emission control or EVAP system. What does this mean? Well, the EVAP system captures gasoline vapors so they are not released into the atmosphere and sends them to the engine to be burned. The purge solenoid is an electronic valve that controls when and how much of these vapors are sent to the engine. P0443 means the computer detects an electrical problem in this solenoid circuit. The most common symptom is an illuminated check engine light. Generally, there are no other noticeable performance symptoms, although in some rare cases you may notice a slightly rough idle. If the P0443 appears, the first thing to do is check the code with an OBD2 scanner. The most common cause is a faulty EVAP Purge solenoid. Visually inspect the solenoid and its connector for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. It's also crucial to check the wiring leading to the solenoid. A broken wire, a short circuit, or a poor connection in the circuit could be the culprit. Use a multimeter to test for continuity and voltage at the connector. In most cases, replacing the EVAP Purge solenoid solves the problem. Although it may not affect immediate performance, a faulty purge solenoid means your vehicle isn't properly controlling gasoline vapor emissions. Additionally, if the solenoid is stuck open, it can cause a rich condition in the engine over time, increasing fuel consumption.